Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this blue halo look here. I was feeling really Ice Queen, Winter Wonderland type of vibe, so this is the look that I came up with. I really struggle with halo lids. Like, I love how they look, but for some reason I just don't like how they look on me, or maybe I'm just not doing it right. But I actually like how this turned out. I think it's really cute as always, but I think it's really cute. So I'm low-key feeling myself. Like, I'm really feeling myself. But I hope you guys enjoy this look. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Oh, I forgot to mention, I did use the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I also used two shadows, well, kind of two shadows out of the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place. So I used those two palettes just in case you guys need a reference, or you could just use any like shadows that you have already in your collection. Now, let's get into this look. From the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm going in with this sky blue shade and placing it in my transition area. In this blue that's next to the first shade, I'm going to place into my crease. Now I'm taking this true blue and I'm placing this color in the outer and inner portion of my lid and leaving the middle bare. I'm also sweeping it into my crease. Now I'm going to carve out the middle of my lid, and a little tip I learned from Tiffany D here on YouTube is to apply concealer near your lash line and look up. This will leave a mark on your lid, and that mark is where you should cut your crease. Using these two blue shades, I'm going to apply them to the edges of the true blue shadow. I tend to do this because I like for my shadows to fade like an ombre. And I'm sorry I'm out of frame. I didn't realize it until now. Now from the Masquerade palette, I'm applying my lid color. And I'm just going back with previous brushes and I'm blending wherever I feel it's needed. Randomly, I added a little bit of this dark blue to the outer and inner parts of my lid. And the look is complete. Don't forget your liner, lashes, mascara, and lower lash line. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Also, tell a friend to come on over to my channel and go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. I'll see you guys in my next one.